Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest update on Discord and showing you how to change your avatar on PC. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open Discord on your PC. If you're not yet logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in settings, locate the My Account option on the left-hand sidebar and click on it. This will bring up your account information. Next, you'll see an option that says Edit User Profile. Click on that to start editing your profile settings. Here comes the fun part. Find the Change Avatar button and click on it. This will give you the option to upload a new image. Hit Upload Image to browse your files. Choose the image you want to use as your new avatar, and once you've found it, click Open. After uploading, feel free to make any additional changes to your profile as desired. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click Apply to set your new avatar. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page to ensure your new avatar is set. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your avatar on Discord. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and updates. Happy chatting!